Hi guys, today we'll dive a bit deeper and install Node Version Manager nvm with Homebrew on macOS. First of all, let's inspect our Brew Manager. So here we are, Brew, ready, and let's start with Brew Update. Next, useful command, good, will be brew install nvm. Then we need to create a directory, make dir, and we can use these instructions here, copy and paste. Right. Then, so I'm facing with this error. I'm trying to execute command source and no such file or directory. So try this one and reload your shell. After this, you should try execute this command. That's okay. Let's go to helpful NVM commands. For example, if we need to install Node 20, for example, nvm version, Node version, so no Node installed. Let's install the Node.js version 20. Let's wait for a bit. Yep. So Node is installed. Default is version 20. Let's check Node version. For example, if you'd like to use another version of Node, so we need to install it first, and after that, we can switch to another version of Node.js. Too easy. So Node version, that's okay. nvm ls, so it's list for installed version, and Node v is current node that we're using right now. So that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. See ya. Bye bye.